Finger loop can turn inside out. It's made out of flat webbing, and we pull it through itself, and sometimes it gets turned like this, inside out, or even I've seen it all the way like this. So basically it's just back to the original flat webbing. The way that we make it, and what you can do with anything like a chopstick or anything, is make a hole in the webbing and pull the tip through so you get back here, and then pull the rest of the webbing through that hole. You can hold on to the tip while doing this. I find that helps a lot. And you get your finger loop back.